Finance Minister Arun Jaitley has filed a civil defamation case against Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and 5 other AAP leaders for 10 crore rupees. This is after AAP accused Mr. Jaitley of corruption in connection with the Delhi cricket body. Well, the war is set to escalate further as the Aam Aadmi Party intends to lodge a first information report against Arun Jaitley. Tanima Biswas now joins us. Tanima, do we also expect a criminal defamation suit to be filed by Arun Jaitley in the courts?
Right, Amitabh. In the afternoon today at a trial court in Delhi, Mr. Arun Jaitley himself is expected to be present at the court when that criminal defamation suit is in fact filed. Here at the Delhi High Court earlier in the day, a civil defamation case was filed against, as you were mentioning, the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and 5 other leaders from the Aam Aadmi Party who essentially were present at that press conference where they did a sort of an expose, in their own words, of Mr. Arun Jaitley's involvement in the financial irregularities which have taken place at DDCA during his tenure as a president of the Delhi cricket body. So Ashutosh, Raghav Chadha, Sanjay Singh, Kumar Vishwas and Deepak Vajpayee have in fact also been named in that civil defamation case. Damages worth 10 crores are being asked for in that suit. And as we know, Mr. Jaitley has in fact been vigorously denying all the allegations which have been made by the Aam Aadmi Party over the past couple of days. He's written a blog about it. He's given interviews denying the allegations. But now he's decided to take legal recourse. And even at the parliament earlier today, he mentioned that he's ready to answer all questions if necessary. And he has decided to take the people who are filing, who are leveling allegations against him to court. In return, we have seen that tweet by Mr. Sanjay Singh of the Aam Aadmi Party late yesterday, essentially saying that, okay, if the news has come out that Mr. Jaitley is filing a defamation case against us, we are also going to go ahead and file a police case against him. So we do not know yet where exactly when the Aam Aadmi Party is going to file that case in a police station. But they are pretty determined to go ahead and file a complaint against Mr. Jaitley. What we have seen over the past few days is a bitter battle between the Aam Aadmi Party and BJP, and it all started when that CBI raid took place at the Delhi Secretariat. The Aam Aadmi Party maintained right from the beginning that the investigative agency was being used as a tool to execute a political vendetta to finish the opposition, as Mr. Kejriwal had also tweeted last week. But now, for the past couple of days, their attack had primarily been focused on the Union Finance Minister, Mr. Arun Jaitley. So Mr. Jaitley decided to take matters in his own hands and file legal cases both at the High Court level as well as the trial court level. Amitabh?